You're struggling to stay consistent on YouTube, then you will never grow. How do I know this? I've been in the YouTube community for 3 years now, and I've come to realize that nothing beats consistency. But it's so hard to stay focused on YouTube, especially if you have a small physical business or you have a 9 to 5 job that is currently paying your bills. Yes, it's actually good to assess your work as it will produce better and faster results. Besides, you actually use money to make more money. But in this video, I am here to introduce something that is even better to you to help you save cost, time, and yet produce 10 times results. So special thanks goes to the sponsors of today's video, So Magic. Magic is actually an AI tool that is specially designed for content creators, that is YouTubers, to create better and engaging content to beat the algorithm. In this video, I'm going to be giving you a demo on how to use Magic and also show you all of the features and why you need this tool if you are even thinking of starting or running a YouTube channel this year. Once you sign up for Magic, you will get access to the tools page right here, and yeah, all of the different features of this tool actually shows, from ideation to scripting and to uploading and then optimizing, which is a process we all go through when we are creating videos. So let's start with the ideation phase, and we will start with video ideas. So here you can go ahead to input a channel handle or a channel URL. We'll click on search. This tool is actually to help you generate video ideas just by inputting a channel name or a channel URL. To get more ideas for our YouTube channel, we can click on generate again, and more video ideas are generated instantly. Let's go back to the tools and let's go over the video script. So right here, that will enable you generate complete script for your videos instantly. So put in the title of your video, for example, the new way to make money with Canva, and then select a number of words with this slider right here. So for a 10-minute video, you want to put it at 1,500 words. Alright, so let me just reduce this a little bit back to 800. Then you go ahead to click on generate. Our script has been generated. But if we go back to scripting, you will notice there is also a bunch of script templates. These templates are to make the script for your videos easier. So just go ahead to check this out. You also have a how-to section right here that you can make a script about how to, for example, how to become a cyber friend. Select 800 words and click on generate. And just like that, we have a script in a step-by-step manner. And now let's go back to scripting. And this is honestly one of my favorite features of Magic, which is the script outline feature. So yeah, what this script outline feature can do is, for example, if we did impute the easiest way to become a real estate investor, then click on generate. This will generate us an outline of our script in a bullet point and also a detailed manner with a conclusion and an intro. You can even run over 3 to 5 different channels, and Magic will make managing all of these channels definitely easier. Hiring a script writer alone is going to cost you $50 to $100 per script. So with Magic, you can get access to this at one monthly cost. So now let's go to our next tool, which is the WAP upload function. This tool works really well for our unlisted videos. So instead of you taking extra time to carry out your keyword research, you just need to upload your video as unlisted, and before you publish it, then copy the URL and head back to Magic. So if you paste in the unlisted video URL in right here and click on generate, and what Magic does is it's literally going to create a transcript of your entire video, scanning what's being said within the video and everything, right? And then it's going to generate you all of the metadata that you need to succeed on YouTube. As you can see, Magic has generated us three highly optimized titles, an SEO keyword, a rich description, and a set of tags that you can actually, copy and paste into your own video, making the process of optimizing your videos very easy. Alright, so you can scroll down here and just do titles alone. For example, you can just do description or just tags from these other features here. The next one is the article to script. Here you go ahead to paste the article URL. Then here you select if you want it to be a general script, if you want it to be in a short format, if you want it to be in a how-to style, script outline, or listed video. So you just go ahead to choose the template of your choice. Okay, so I'm just going to leave this at short and paste it here. Alright, so you can actually see that Magic has generated a short video script for us with that long article. So you can see this is the article. I actually copied the URL. You can see that this article is very lengthy. And now with the help of Magic, we have been able to create a short form script out of that lengthy article. Okay, so let's go back to the tools again and take a look at other stuff so you can make use of. So we have the keyword researcher, we have the niche explorer, and we also have the video research and the community post. So if you click on the niche explorer, to actually help you know the niche that you want to venture into as a content creator. So for the natural health, we have the RPM of $9, and here is a channel that you can visit to get ideas from. Then we have the general health, and the RPM is $10. We have the medical RPM is $10. We have the yoga RPM is $10. And the niche ideas just goes on. So with this tool, you will be able to know the best niche to actually go for as a content creator. So now for this make money online niche, you can see that the RPM is as high as $25. So let me click on the link. It is actually taking us to make money max channel. So this will actually help you give you ideas on the type of thumbnails you want to be using in your own video and the type of content you want to be putting out. So from here now, I can go ahead to copy this video URL, then go back to the tool, then make use of this video to script, paste the URL here, so you can actually see that this is actually a great idea. You can now make use of this script that has been generated by Magic to create your own video on this particular topic, how to make money online. Another thing you can actually do is to copy the video URL, then come back to Magic, then click on article to script, and here you want to select short, then paste, then click on generate. Okay, so that this is actually going to help you change that long form content into a short form script that you can make use of for your own short videos. Alright, so the last tool I'm going to be sharing with you guys is the thumbnail generator. And I'm going to paste the link here. We'll click on generate. So you can just go about it and try to be creative, import your own image and include the text, and also make use of the AI magic tool, right, to get the best and perfect thumbnail design for your video. If you are at all interested in signing up to Magic, click on the link in the video description. So guys, if you found this video insightful, if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like, subscribe, and do turn on the bell notification button for more videos like this, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.